Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday said the issue related to Baikam Village will be taken up in the next round of border talks with Assam. He said that the matter was discussed this with the government of Assam and the same would be taken up in the next meeting. In response to another question, he also informed that Meghalaya Age Limited, a state government company under the aegis of the Planning Department, will be the implementing agency for the Rs 730 crore externally aided project fund, as the agency has the expertise in the field.
Through the Government of India about 2 years back, and finally, as I said, the proposal is a report that we have to look into, and obviously concerns that are there at every level have to be looked into. It's not that everything is government has a solution or a reply to every single problem that is there, but there are concerns, and as a government, as a society, it's good to be aware about those concerns, and we work towards ensuring that we try to find solutions to those problems. Definitely this issue is there, and as a society we need to look into the aspects of the reasons why this is there and see what can be done to ensure that these kind of issues also can be resolved.
Contrary to the claims of Northeastern Hill University Vice